Story Nest.
Timmy the turtle, with his emerald green shell gleaming in the sunlight, perched on a moss-covered rock at the edge of a vast, shimmering ocean. Beside him fluttered Bella the butterfly, her wings a kaleidoscope of sapphire and gold, eager for their next adventure. "Ready, Bella?" Timmy asked, his eyes twinkling with anticipation as he gazed at the vibrant underwater world visible just beneath the surface. Bella responded with an energetic flutter, her antenna twitching excitedly. Together, they took a deep breath and plunged into the cool, inviting water. They found themselves in an enchanting ocean garden, where forests of colorful seaweed swayed gently with the current. Crimson, gold, and violet fronds danced around them, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. As they swam deeper, the seaweed seemed to whisper secrets of the sea, tales of playful dolphins and wise old whales. Bella, with her keen eyes, spotted a shimmering trail winding through the seaweed. "Look, Timmy!" she exclaimed, fluttering ahead. They followed the path, their curiosity piqued, as it led them through a tunnel formed by tall, swaying kelp. The tunnel opened into a hidden grotto bathed in soft, filtered sunlight. In the center of the grotto, they discovered a group of seahorses, their delicate bodies adorned with intricate patterns, gracefully dancing amongst the anemones. A wise old seahorse, with a long, flowing mane, greeted them with a gentle nod, welcoming them to their secret haven. Timmy and Bella exchanged delighted glances, their hearts filled with the wonder of their underwater adventure.